Hello everyone, welcome to the course on measurements and instrumentation. In this session, I am explaining the topics classification of resistance and methods for measurement of resistance. Resistance is the property of material which opposes flow of electrons or electricity. Resistance is expressed in ohms. Resistance is one of the most basic elements in electrical and electronic engineering. The value of resistance varies from few ohms to several mega ohms. On the basis of magnitude of resistance in ohm, the resistance is classified into three types. First one is low resistance. All resistance of the order less than 1 ohm may be classified as low resistance. And examples of low resistance are resistance of copper winding in armature, ammeter shunt, contact resistance, and resistance of switches, etc. Next classification is medium resistance. Resistance in the range 1 ohm to 100 kilo ohm may be classified as medium resistance. And the examples of medium resistance are carbon resistance, metal film resistors, and resistance of voltmeter, etc. Next is high resistance. Resistance of value greater than 1000 kilo ohm are categorized or classified as high resistance. Insulation resistance in electrical equipment are examples of high resistance. The general method of measurement of resistance is with the help of a multimeter. The multimeter is having two leads, and by connecting the two leads at two ends of the resistance, we can directly get the value of resistance. But there are certain specific methods for measurement of resistance. First, move on to measurement of low resistance. First method is voltmeter ammeter method. Voltmeter ammeter method is the most simple method of measurement of resistance because voltmeters and ammeters are available in all laboratories. Next method is potentiometer method. The potentiometer is actually used for measurement of EMF and measurement of internal resistance of battery by comparing it with a standard value. Next method is Kelvin double bridge method. Kelvin double bridge is an advanced form of Wheatstone bridge. Next, move on to measurement of medium resistance. The first method is voltmeter ammeter method and second is substitution method. In substitution method, as the name implies, the unknown resistance, the value of unknown resistance is substituted with a standard resistance. Next is measurement of resistance using Wheatstone bridge. The working principle of Wheatstone bridge is null deflection principle. And next is measurement of high resistance. The different methods used for measurement of high resistance are direct deflection method, loss of charge method, mega ohm bridge method, and Megger. In loss of charge method, we utilizes the equation of voltage across a discharging capacitor to find the value of unknown resistance R. In mega ohm bridge method, we use a famous Wheatstone bridge philosophy but in a slightly modified way. Megger is one of the most important measuring device used by electrical engineers and is essentially used for measuring insulation resistance only. In the upcoming videos, I will explain the measurement of resistance in detail. Thank you.